In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination, but more precisely, we will see quand. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences, and they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So this lesson is about quand. And the conjunction quand can be translated into various ways in English, including when, whenever, and while. So we will see some examples with quand. Je te préviendrai quand je serai prêt. Je te préviendrai quand je serai prêt. Quand il pleut, je préfère rester à l'intérieur. Quand il pleut, je préfère rester à l'intérieur. Nous irons faire du camping quand les vacances commenceront. Nous irons faire du camping quand les vacances commenceront. Quand on parle de voyage, elle devient toujours enthousiaste. Quand on parle de voyage, elle devient toujours enthousiaste.